Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to guide you through the steps to delete your YouTube channel. Whether you're looking to start fresh or simply want to take a break, I'll make sure you know exactly how to do it safely and securely. Let's jump right in. First, sign into YouTube with the account you want to delete. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Settings. This is where all your account information is stored. In the Settings menu, look for the Advanced Settings option towards the bottom of the list. Click on it to find more options related to your channel. Look for the Delete Channel option in Advanced Settings. Click on it. You might be prompted to sign in again for security reasons. Make sure to proceed with caution from here. After signing in again, you'll be given two options: to hide your channel or delete it permanently. If you're sure you want to delete, select I want to permanently delete my content. Then, tick the boxes to acknowledge that you understand the consequences of deletion. Remember, this will remove all your videos, comments, messages, playlists, and history. Once you've made your decision and checked the necessary boxes, click on Delete My Content. You'll be asked to enter your channel name to confirm the deletion. Do so, and click Delete My Content again to permanently delete your channel. Your YouTube channel is now deleted. Remember, this action is permanent, so make sure it's what you really want before proceeding. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.